कांग्रेस पार्टी एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रही है, आइए रुख करते हैं इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का।
Our friends in the media that in New York and in America there is only one person who is being listened to. There is only one global leader who is present there, and the entire focus 24/7 is on Narendra Modi. We feel that there has to be some tempering and some balance, considering the fact that there are 170 heads of states and governments attending the UN General Assembly, considering the fact that the Prime Minister of India has not featured even for 5 seconds in CNN, Fox News, BBC. You can see the Pope, you can see Xi Jinping, you can see Putin, you can see Merkel, you can see Cameron. This is the reality. So it's sharp contrast. Here we see only him, and international channels unfortunately have not given him that place. Also, what is being made out that the Prime Minister has been given a special and distinct status by the US President, by the US administration, which is not true. Just to inform you that the US President Barack Obama is hosting the second, it's very rare, second state banquet for the Chinese president. He'll be hosting Xi Jinping. Last time also it was a working meal. This time also it will be working meal. The last time there was a state banquet for an Indian Prime Minister was for Dr. Manmohan Singh. This is again a reality which I must tell you. Before I come to the specifics, I would like to make it clear again that the Prime Minister is confusing and misleading the people of India about what is happening in the United Nations. The G4 initiative is an old one. We started with the UPA 1, continued with the UPA 2 to bring about structural changes in the United Nations, reforms to reflect the contemporary global realities, to make it inclusive and democratic, and we were persisting with our campaign for an expansion of the UN Security Council in the permanent membership category and in the non-permanent members category, and pushing forward India's rightful claim to be there in the expanded Security Council as a permanent member with a veto power. Now what has happened this time? The UNGA agreement of 14th of September to agree on proceeding with a text-based, not that a text has been agreed, but to proceed with text-based negotiations is a culmination of 7 years of intergovernmental consultations, which began on the 12th of September 2008, when the open-ended working group was given a burial because of the pressure and mobilization by India and its other partners, that's Japan, Germany and Brazil. Since Prime Minister is ignorant and not informed about these things, we are forced to remind and just to tell the people as to what the realities is. What has happened between then and now? India has lost support. India had unequivocal declared support of Russia for permanent membership with veto power, which was said by none else but by their President Vladimir Putin in 2009. This time, 2 of the P5 countries have opposed. China is hostile. Russia is no more enthusiastic. Russia has made it clear there is no question of any country getting any veto power. United States of America, despite the joint statements and what was said here and in the last visit, has been ambivalent, has not been unequivocal. And if you read the decision of 14th of September of the UNGA, there is not even a mention of any country That's why I said this nation is being misled, as Modi has started some new initiative. G4 hosting, G4 is nothing new. G4 have met many times in the past. Many times, even when Dr. Manmohan Singh ji was the Prime Minister, Angela Merkel was the Chancellor. Britain, the present Prime Minister has supported, and France has supported us in the past. But there is no clarity when it comes to the final formula. So let this country not be told that something has happened and something is going to happen now in a time-bound manner. We dispute this claim completely. Prime Minister ought to explain that why India has lost that firm support of one of its strongest strategic partners, that's the Russian Federation. This is an answer we demand, which only he has to give. प्रधानमंत्री कल भावुक हुए।
तो आनंद शर्मा सवाल उठाते हुए प्रधानमंत्री के विदेश दौरे पर, अमेरिका के दौरे पर सवाल उठाया उन्होंने कि जो दिखाया जा रहा है देश में या बताया जा रहा है उस तरह की सफलता हासिल नहीं हुई है यूएन में मिली सफलता पर प्रधानमंत्री जवाब दें। बताएं कि रशिया जो लगातार भारत का सपोर्टर रहा है कि सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल में भारत को जगह भी मिले और वीटो पावर्स भी मिले, उसने क्यों अपना समर्थन वापस ले लिया है। सवाल यह भी उठाया कि विदेशी मीडिया में प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने जो संबोधित किया लोगों को वो 5 सेकंड के लिए भी नहीं दिखाया गया, तो हकीकत कुछ और है। इस पर सवाल उठाया आनंद शर्मा ने।